Let me share with you an interesting experiment that was made in Germany by two psychologists. They asked to half the participants the question: do you believe that the mean temperature in Germany is higher or lower than 20 degrees? To the other half of the participants, they asked the question: do you believe that the mean temperature in Germany is higher or lower than 5 degrees? After this, they asked people to choose words that were randomly available among a set of words. Guess what's happened? The people that were given the benchmark at 20 degrees ended up choosing words that were related to summer, like sun or beach. The people instead that were given the benchmark at 5 degrees ended up choosing words that were related more to winter, like ski or frost. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I am a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. The topic of today is the priming effect. And to give you some more insight into this topic, let me share with you another experiment that was done this time in the US. They asked participants to make a sentence based on 4 words. And half of the participants were given words that were related to being old, while the other half of the participants were given words that were related with being aggressive. Guess what's happened after the experiment? The people that received the words related to being old ended up walking slower as they left the premises. And the people that were given words related to being aggressive ended up having a less respectful behavior with the people they interacted with after this experiment. Priming effect is a suggestion that we receive at an unconscious level and that influence our thoughts and behaviors. Let's try to apply, for instance, the priming effect to negotiation. Let's say that we want to create a more collaborative climate into a negotiation. Then what can we do that is in line with the application of the priming effect? We can use collaborative words such as respectful, fair, ethics. We can use we language rather than I language. We can sit at the corner rather than sitting opposite. We can use mirroring to connect with the person, also at a non-verbal level. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.